beauties, and welcome back to my channel and to this video that is going to be this month's quad. We are in July, people. July! In the middle of summer and it's so hot outside and I don't even think the seagulls are awake, and then we hear them. The seagulls are awake. Anyways, this month we're doing the Looxi quad and I'm just going to show you how the quad looks because you see it on my eyes. Stop it. I promised you that we were going to do something more summery and tropical, and so we're doing this. This is a pink, purple, yellow, green thing, and I thought instead of taking like super bright tropical colors, I'll take some colors that are a bit more subdued, and I wanted to do a quad with more shimmers. Not only because I love the Looxi shimmers. The Looxi shimmers are so nice. She has such unique colors. I really do love them, and not only because of that, but also because sometimes I feel like it's not hard to find tutorials that are showing you how to use several mattes and then one shimmer. It is not that common that you see tutorials with several shimmers and just one matte, because people love mattes and I love my mattes too, so I fall into this trap myself, but I wanted to show some more shimmers and how to mix and match shimmers together. So I did this look that I have on today, and I did another one as well that's going to be tutorial number 1. Always when I do these quads, I show you colors, I describe the colors so that you can shop your own stash for similar colors and do this color combo yourself. And then I do two different looks here, so that you can see some ways that you can use these colors together. This series is not about you going out and shopping this exact quad. This is about us finding new ways to like use colors that we already have in our collection. Is he up? Maybe use colors that we have in our collection in a new way and just like give some new spark back to our existing collection, so we don't have to go out and buy new things all the time. But if you don't have anything similar to this, at least I picked colors from the same company so you can only make one order, which makes it a bit more easy. So I'm going to describe the colors, I'm going to swatch them, and then we're going to get into the looks. Like I said, I wanted to have something super like summery this time. Like, let me get my knife so that I can show you how to wear some fun colors together. What is that sound? What's going on? That's the seagulls. So this is Siren of the Sea. This is a darker mint, super shimmery color. It is one of my favorites by Looxi, and I have been promising you doing a Looxi favorites and I still haven't, and I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get to that. So it is a super shimmery dark mint, and it's what I have wrapped around my inner corner. It is opaque if you use a setting spray, but if you don't use a setting spray, it's gonna be more of a topper, and I kind of like that. I did actually do a, when was that? Long time ago. If you search for this color on the homepage of my channel, there is a looking glass or a magnifying glass, whatever you want to call it, and you can search for Siren of the Sea. You will see a tutorial that I did when I paired this as a topper on top of something else, and then it turned out to something really dark. Was it this one or another one? I don't really remember, but it was a color by Looxi. So you can put this over a darker color and it's going to be more dark and mystical, and I like that. I know that people don't like toppers. Now he's awake. But I think the toppers are super versatile and I love a color like that. But like I said, if you use this with your finger or with setting spray, it's going to be opaque, and it's what I have in my inner corners, and I didn't put it over anything on my inner corners. He's just so bored at this point because I've been filming for a while and Ricardo's at work. But also he's very tired because we were out with him so long yesterday, and it's in the morning now, so I think he actually wants to sleep. It's like he cannot decide if he is bored or if he's tired. I think it's both. He found the squeaky toy. That's never good. We're gonna have to have a little break. Maybe you'll be able to hear in the background, but I replaced this squeaky toy with a non-squeaky toy. Very cute though. The next color is a very, very yellow metallic. It's like a mustard metallic. It's super beautiful. What are you doing? This is Buillion. I think it's called Buillion. Correct me if I'm wrong. It is a beautiful, like I said, almost like a mustard yellow. It's not a gold really, because it's too yellow to be a gold according to me. It is like a dark yellow metallic, and it's super pretty, and it's what I have in the middle of my eyes. The next color is the matte in this little quad, and it's called First Kiss, and it is a dark raspberry matte. You probably have something similar like to this at home, just a dark raspberry matte. You could even use like the pinky one in Modern Renaissance if you have that palette. And then the next one is Enchanted, and this is actually a duochrome. It is like a dark blue purple duochrome, but I mean, if you have a dark purple or a blue metallic, you could probably use that as well. It is just like a smoky blue purple duochrome, and it is very beautiful, and it's what I have in my outer corners and like wrapped around my outer corners. So this is the quad. It's like a green, a yellow, a pink, and a purple. Not the super bright poppy colors, slightly subdued, but still a very fun quad, and I'm so excited to be showing you the looks. I'm very happy to be doing a Looxi quad this month. We've been doing almost all of this year and not using one of my favorite brands, which is Looxi, and I'm just super excited. Let me know what colors, what brand would you like to see next month. Don't forget to tell me down in the comments, because I'm always open for suggestions on what you want to see. What colors do you want to try? I've already said in another video that September is going to be a mix of red and purple, because I love that mix. So we're doing that in September, just so you know. But yeah, give me some suggestions for August. Let me know what you think about this quad, and let's just get into the looks. Okay, let's do the first look with this little quad by Looxi. I am gonna use this one, the pinky one in the crease. I'm gonna use this one on the lid to create a beautiful like minty pinky thing, and I'm gonna use these two under my eyes. So let's just get started. Okay, so I think that this is the level I want to be at. This really mixes, like matches good with my lipstick today, which is not bad. I kind of like it. It was kind of intentional. Now I'm gonna use this green, and I am gonna spray my brush a bit, and I'm gonna brush that here on the inner part of my lid to like 2/3 and leave this part. I'm gonna put a bit more pink there later, and I'm gonna brush it upwards as well, just really not doing a cut crease. I haven't done that in a bit, just like blowing it out and blending them together to the best of my ability. I'm also gonna spray this a bit, if I didn't say that, because I really love how colors look sprayed. So this is the look right now. I'm taking a bit more of the pink and just a more detailed brush, and I'm just gonna pat a bit more on here at the outer part of the lid to make this part more dramatic. I love how like easy these monthly quad looks are. They're easy for me to do, and I like the simplicity of not overcomplicating things. Like something can be easy and pretty, and it doesn't have to be like super intricate and like advanced. It can be fun anyways. So I'm gonna put this purple and this yellow under my eyes, but not in my inner corner. I'm gonna put the purple on the outer half and yellow on the inner half. I'm gonna leave the inner corner. I'm just gonna use the highlight that I have on my skin in my inner corners. You can always do that if you find yourself missing in highlighter color. Just use whatever you have on your cheek, like your highlighter, in your inner corners, or you can also use like your under eye setting powder and just really pack that on to give a bit of a brightening effect. I've done that a lot as well. So that is the finished look right now with the shadows. What I have on my cheeks today is the I Love You So Moochie by NYX, if I can open it. This is the Lit Life, which is the warmer of the ones. I think I'm gonna take this just yellowy highlighter. You can use whatever highlighter you want. You can have a pink highlighter, a green highlighter, a blue highlighter, a white highlighter, a gold highlighter. Go wild. It doesn't have to be anything specific, just put something fun on. And I'm just like in the absolute inner corner, I'm just taking a bit of this to lighten it up. I'm just gonna do a little mascara. Oh wait, let me do the waterline first, because I brought this one. This is one of the NYX Fall Whites. These are nice, but to be honest, all of them are pretty much white. This is the minty one, but they're really good and creamy, but I don't think that they are like colored enough to be different. Just buy one of them and you have a nice almost white eyeliner, to be honest. Okay, there we go. Let me just put on some mascara and I'll be right back and I'll show you the look before lashes. Okay, so this is the finished look with mascara. Oh, by the way, I am wearing ColourPop Mucho and I'm really liking this look. I'm gonna put on some lashes, and because I really like finishing up a look with lashes, I'm gonna use the House of Lashes Bambi. I haven't used those in such a long time. They're a bit kooky. They're like the weird uncle of the false lash community. I'm gonna put them on and you can see they're slightly more editorial. Let's just say that. Okay, that is the finished look. That is the first look with the quad of July, which is more of a toned down tropical thing, and I'm really liking this look. It's like a daytime fruit basket. Not hating it. I'm really liking it. What do you think about these lashes? Like I said, they're a bit more out there because they're wild. They're like if you've been drunk and slept on your face while having like lash extensions. That's what they look like. In a good way. I kind of like them. Anyways, let me know what you think down below, and let's just get into look number 2. Whew. Okay, we're here. We're doing the second look with this quad by Looxi. Summery goodness, and I'm so excited, and I have my coffee in my unicorn mug because it's morning. It is Saturday morning, and why is it coffee everywhere? How did that even happen? What did I do? That's never a good look. So we're gonna do something with this matte in the crease. I'm gonna have it in the crease and build it up as much as I can here, and then also drag it under the eyes to really frame the eye with this matte pink. And then I'm gonna go in with the shimmers, and I'm gonna have the shimmers all around the eye. This is the look that I had in mind when I picked out this quad, and I'm so excited to be doing it. Wait, the mirror cannot be here. Reorganizing. Is this better? It's a bit in the corner, but you're gonna have to live with that. I'm starting out with a fluffy brush to just get this color to be like a transition color. This is a good tip if you only have one matte to work with. At least work with 2 different brushes. One that is more fluffy and one that is more precise and dense. Because then you can first diffuse it and make it a transition color, like I'm doing here. You can see I'm not really building it up, I'm just gently putting it on, blending it out, and then I'm gonna go in with another brush that is more like dense and precise, and I'm gonna pack the color on a bit more in the actual crease to make it a gradient look with only one color. I'm also taking that same color on the pencil brush, and like I said, I'm just gonna dust it a bit under my eyes as well to act as a, well, something to build and diffuse the shimmers that I'm gonna put here afterwards. So you can see I'm not really packing it on, I'm just sweeping it under. Okay, now that I've got this pink all around my eyes, I'm gonna start with the shimmers. And I'm so excited. So I'm gonna have the green in the inner corner wrapped, the yellow in the middle, and then the blue in the outer, wrapped around the outer corner. So I'm gonna use the same pencil brush, I'm just cleaning it a bit, and I'm starting with the blue actually, and I am gonna spray this because I like the way that shimmers look when they're sprayed. So I'm starting to just build the color here. This is the darker one out in the outer part of the lid. I'm also taking it out a bit, not to have like a wing or anything, but just elongating the shape a bit. Just gently blending it in with the pink. Now I'm gonna, for ease, I'm gonna use the green, wrap it around my eye, because I think it's gonna be easier to go in with the middle color last and just blend it all together. I'm gonna spray this a bit as well, and I'm just putting that on the inner part, and then I'm gonna put it in my inner corners as well. And I'm like the other color, just gently gonna blend it into the pink. And now lastly, I'm taking the yellow and I'm gonna like connect these two colors in the middle, both on the lower lash line and the upper, like upper lid. The lid. Upper lid. What am I? A reptile? Come on. So this is the look on the eye right now. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I'm gonna do a little bit of liner, I think, and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the look right now. I'm gonna put on some of this Kava lipstick by Bite and maybe something in my waterline as well. I think I'm gonna use something green. Maybe this one. The NYX Fall Black in Black Olive. I'm gonna use this one in my waterline and put on the Bite lipstick, and I'll be right back, and I'll put on the lashes as well. I think that's gonna be, like, I wanna have something dramatic. It looks really nice with the green. Yeah, I'll put on some lashes and I'll put on the lippy, and I'll be right back and you can see the finished look with the lashes. Okay, so here's the finished look. I did put on the Sashas by Huda Beauty because I felt like I wanted a dramatic lash today. And they're not so dense so you can't see the eyeshadow through. I just really felt like it. I also put a gloss over. This is the My Little Pony by Pure in Fluttershy. So I just wanted the lip to be a bit glossy, but looking in the viewfinder, I'm really liking this look. I think it's super pretty and I'm so excited to wear this today. It's Saturday, so I can wear it all day and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here watching this month's quad. Next month is August. Cannot believe how fast this year has gone. If you have any suggestions for things you want to see in August, let me know down below. Like I said, I'm open for suggestions, and I do have some brands that I haven't gone through yet, and I'm so excited to be picking out next month's quad. Thank you again for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!